Hi guys, we received this Dusk outdoor light fixture for event purposes, and I think they're really, really nice because you can control it with the remote control that comes included, with the application that you can connect them, and with your Alexa. Okay, it comes with everything you need to install, all the screws and everything. Okay, so let's start checking else out. Okay, they come very well protected with foam, as you can see. All the usual instructions. These are the main units. Okay. Okay, this is it. Here we got a sensor that turns on and off depending on the time of day. If it's on daytime, they turn off, and if it's nighttime, it turns on. Okay. To change the bulbs, you just open this part like this. Turn it on. You take it out, as you can see. This is the light bulb. You place it. That's okay. Obviously, it comes with the controller, as you can see. We got all the options, and you can change the colors, the temperature, the brightness. I think they are both really, really nice. This is the other one. It's a pack of two. So let's go ahead and start installing them outside. Let's go. Okay, guys, so you can see they've already installed. They've already installed, and what I think it's really nice, you can control it with controller. You can turn it on, change the light to warmer or cooler temperature. Let's see. Limit or granite. Okay. You also get these buttons to interchange three different temperatures, and this to change to RGB. Okay, select. It's really nice, or it will be automatic. Okay, so you can see they're really nice. What I feel like about is that you can control them with the application. Obviously, the instructions also download and stuff here. And it's nice because you can control it one off at the same time. All the bulbs turn on or two. Those the ones that run on on. You can see turn them on, the bed plus away, or the event with the application. Okay, and additionally, you get you can just embed music with our microphone, so it will be doing certain kinds of things. That's the microphone, and as you can see, the light bulb we selected is going to change the music. Okay, let's select all of them. Okay, so it's now it's done. The other one. Okay. So now I'm just gonna leave it like this. As you can see, it has different options in the application to change the colors depending on the music, the scene you want to place. But they're really, really nice. Even set like a symbol, the lowers are light. I think it's really, really nice. Or to program it to be on just 30 minutes, which is excellent. And another thing is that both lamps have a pulsar, so when the daytime is when it's daytime, they turn off automatically, and they turn on. It's night. So you can leave it on switch on, simple, and you want to be sure that they link up to now the date, which is really, really nice. And I think it's a nice feature. So all these features and all these features, they're really nice. So we recommend these lamps. So yes.